Hey everybody, Namaste. My name is Tamanna and welcome back to my channel Supermom. Yes. So guys, today I'm gonna show you what I made to decorate my door on Diwali. Yes, as you can see, this is a kind of wreath or you can call it a door hanging. If you want to buy something unique, you're going to the market but you don't get anything. So you can go for that. All the materials are easily available in the market, right? So let's start. So guys, the wreath is almost completed. So how do you like this idea? Please do comment in the comment section box and hit the like button. Share with your family and friends, and please do not forget to subscribe my channel Supermom and press the bell icon so that you can get the notification of my new videos. Now I'll catch you in my another video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.